Kamusta ka? Can you
Okay.
hear me
Yeah.
again? Naririnig mo ako?
Opo.
Okay. Okay na?
Opo.
Okay. So, hindi ako masyado kasi medyo magaling ka ng mag-Tagalog eh.
Please slow.
Okay.
I just speak slower so I can grasp and at the same time I can understand. Because if
Meron. You know what's meron? You know what's meron?
no,
Meron. Hindi alam.
hindi ko alam.
Hindi alam. Okay.
Hindi alam.
Okay. May prepare ako dito ng mga card, like this.
Mhm.
This one.
Meron. Okay, nice. Maganda.
Okay. So, babasahin mo, tapos ita-translate mo sa English or Tagalog. What do you want? Translate to Tagalog
Yeah.
or translate to English?
Yeah, both ways.
Okay. Okay. Do you read, Hal? This one.
This ito?
This is not dito.
Ito.
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 Sorry.
Ito or
Itong.
itong. Okay, good.
Nice.
One words muna tayo, okay? This one.
Any Bobby?
Anybody. So,
sorry.
anybody.
Looks like any.
Anybody. Okay.
Looks like a double B.
Double.
So,
Double B. I'm sorry to my spelling.
walang,
It's
walang problema
D.
po. Walang
It's a
problema
D.
po. Okay.
I'm sorry. It's a
No
D.
problem. No problem. Walang problema.
Okay. Okay. Anybody and
Anybody. Hindi ko alam.
in Tagalog or Filipino? Okay. Anybody in Tagalog is kahit sino.
Kahit sino. Sino
Kahit
also means
sino.
who, right? Sino. Just
Yes,
sino means
who?
Okay.
Sino. Okay, next. Okay.
Another. Hindi ko alam.
Okay. If you want, do you want to write?
Okay. I'll write here, okay?
Okay.
Isa pa.
Okay.
I'll write here.
Isa pa, one. Another
Isa pa.
one. Yeah.
Isa
Isa pa.
pa.
But isa means they have one word but two meanings. Pag like this,
isa
isa
means
means one. But
isa,
if you
dalawa.
if you say another, in Filipino, isa pa. They have two meaning in one word in
Okay.
Tagalog. Okay, next.
About.
About. Okay, and
Hindi ka alam.
hindi mo pa alam? Oh, it's okay. Okay, this one.
Tungkol?
Tungkol.
Tungkol.
Okay, good.
What is the meaning again? Tungkol?
Tungkol is about. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Tungkol. Sounds like that word. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Little star. Sounds
Twinkle,
like
twinkle. Tungkol, tungkol.
it's like
Okay.
to associate in my brain. This is my way.
Okay, it's okay. I want happy. So, this one next.
Hindi ko alam.
This.
I think
Okay.
if dito, ito, mga ito, because it's plural, so mga ito, I don't think so. Will be correct.
Yes, medyo may pagkahawig. May pagkapareho sa sinabi mo. Pero in Tagalog,
ang mga ito. So I was right. Wow.
Yes, okay.
Ang mga ito.
Right. Good.
Because I know mga is plural. Ito.
Yes, plural.
So,
Okay,
I guess
this one.
it was a guesswork, so it was correct. My guesswork.
Yeah.
Ang mga ito.
Mga ito. Yes, very good.
Ang was missing. Just ang. Mga ito was correct.
Yes. And this one, mga, it means it's it.
Ito.
It.
Ito.
Ito means
This. Ito means
this.
this.
Opo. Yes, opo. This one. And this one is, okay, it is
ayun.
iyon or yon. Dalawa.
I thought both are like, excuse me, both are like ito
The
means
sound.
it, and this I used to think before. Yeah. I used to think
So,
like it and
yon.
this are same meaning.
They have iyon, iyan, ito,
Itong, okay.
itong.
Other.
Other.
Isa pa? Another
pa.
not same? Sound
Isa
because in
pa
English
means
very
yes,
similar meaning. Other and
similar
another
to
one.
anybody. It's another. In Tagalog, yes, iba.
Mm.
Iba.
Iba in Spanish means I was going to. Past tense.
Past.
Uh,
Okay.
us, kami, or kami.
Two words.
Kami and tayo. Okay, kami and tayo.
Two meanings. Kami or tayo.
Us.
Okay, this one.
My. Aking. Aking.
Aking.
Aking.
Yeah. Good.
Aking, my.
Aking. My.
Okay. Kami, tayo as well. Tayo, okay.
Tayo, like the same meaning as.
Okay.
Tayo. This one we.
Just tayo.
Tayo. Okay. This one.
Ours.
Well, okay. Ours. Okay. Okay.
Namin
In
and
Tagalog.
nothing. Namin and nothing.
Namin, natin. Okay.
Okay. Namin, nothing. Ours, right? Ours or our?
Yeah. Ours.
Ours.
Yes.
Namin, nothing.
Okay, good.
Him.
Him.
Sila. No. Siya?
Him is
Siya. Kanya.
Kanya.
Kanya
Kanya.
West. Name of a rapper. Kanye West. Do you know him? American rapper.
This
Try
one.
to remember. Hers. Hers is him.
Hers.
As well. Same. Kanya.
Hers. Okay. Same, but they have sa.
Sa Kanya. Okay. Sa.
Sa.
Okay. What about just her? Is same? Just her.
Hers.
Like for example,
Hers
her
or-
name is Rina. For example, is the same?
Her name. Her.
Her name will be
name?
Kanya.
Kanyang pangalan.
Same Kanya, right? Her.
Yes.
Opo.
This one.
Mine.
Mine.
Aking.
Mine.
No.
Mine. That's mine. Aking yan. This one.
Aking.
Aking
Without
yan.
G. Aking.
Okay.
Without G.
Yeah,
Mine.
good.
Mine. Aking.
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 Okay.
Aking.
Okay.
It
Aking.
sounds like
It's
a king. A king is mine.
Aking.
Just
Princess and king. This one.
Ako.
Oh, good.
Ako. Okay.
Ako. I or me is, in Tagalog, ako. Okay, yeah. Very good. This one.
Sia. Sia or Sha, right?
Yes. Two.
Sia or Sha.
Two meaning. In
Sha,
Tagalog.
like that.
Okay. Siya or she.
Okay.
Siya.
Sha or
Siya. Siya. Okay, good.
Is I, right? I.
It's.
It's like same. Like
Same
ayun,
like.
same. Ayun, I.
Ayun. Yun.
Yun.
Yun. Okay.
Yun. Okay, with ayun. Oh, sorry.
Iyon. Ito. Ayon.
Ayong.
Yes, it's like the same.
Okay. Yeah, just with G, right? Same like
Okay, let's-
king, king.
It's, yes, iyon hindi. This same. But
Just for
this,
the S, I have to
G.
add G. Okay,
you
for
don't
the
have
S.
G and it.
Same like aking,
Yes.
aking.
Akin. Iyo, iyon.
Mhm.
Those. Those and those. It's a plural. Plural.
Ang mga.
We don't have ang.
Ang
It's
mga.
only mga. Mga. Single.
Okay.
Okay, mga. Those.
Mga. I know just mga means like S, like plural.
Mangas.
That's it.
Okay, good. This one,
That.
this one, that is
Young.
yan. 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 Okay. Yan. Yan. That's good. This one,
All.
All.
Tapos.
Like anybody. It's
Ah.
anybody, all, di ba? But-
I haven't write anybody anyway. Lahat.
Lahat. All. Lahat. Yan. Good. This one,
Who? Sino?
Sino.
Who? Kanino? Not sino?
Yes, they have two. Kanino and sino, they have two.
So correct, right?
Two
Sino?
meaning in,
Ah,
okay,
okay,
yes.
okay.
Two meaning in one word in English, one word. In Filipino, two
What's the
meaning.
difference then?
Yes, kanino.
What's the
Sino.
difference? Kanino and sino?
Kanino means, ayan o, sino, who. Like, do you want to explain you in Tagalog or English?
Yeah, first Tagalog, then
Tagalog?
English. First Tagalog, then English. If I don't
Sino
know.
means, sino yan? Like that, sino yan? Yan, sino yan? Who is that?
Okay.
Okay. If, kanino? Kanino yan?
Mhm.
Kanino yan? Same? Who is that? Same like.
So there's no difference.
There's
We can use both anytime, right?
Yes. Use in your own sentence.
Okay. So
In
far for me,
Filipino.
we don't have to go in detail. So just to remember so far.
Okay. Later,
Yeah, later
Yeah,
on we can go in
I
details.
teach you
Grammar.
two meaning in one word.
Okay.
Like,
For me now, like I'm a
Uh,
3
one
months
ano
baby of Tagalog. 3 months baby of Tagalog.
yeah. But
I'm a
I want
baby
you,
now.
Ah.
three weeks baby. I'm in Tagalog now.
but you're good in Tagalog. You understand a little
Because-
Tagalog, okay?
Because I'm observing and learning every day, practicing every day. That's why.
Okay. 3. And the next is dual meaning. And that's dual meaning. I will teach you dual meaning. Okay. This one,
How many?
how many?
God.
If you buy,
How much?
how much? Yes. It's like the same. How
Same,
much? How
okay,
many?
okay.
Yes.
Magkano ito?
How much?
Magkano?
How much? Magkano ito? How many? How many? Ilan? Ilan?
Ilan?
But if you want, use it, you put here, ito. Ilan ito?
Okay.
If you say in a sentence. Okay.
Okay.
How many? Ilan? Ilan ito? How many? How much? How many? It's like the same in Tagalog. But one word lang yung ginagamit. We use one word lang. in
Really?
Tagalog.
Which one?
Yes.
Ilan?
Ilan ito?
Ilan
Yeah.
ito? How
We
much and
always
how many as well?
use,
Okay.
It's the same in Tagalog. Okay.
Okay.
This one. This one.
What? Ano?
Very good. Okay. Next, I have whiteboard.
Okay.
Yeah, whiteboard. Then I will write one word, but I will explain you the two words that they have difference. Okay? Like, okay?
Tayo.
Tayo.
Tayo
Yes.
is we or us, right?
We.
Or just we?
Yeah,
We.
good. Okay.
We and
We.
us. Yeah. Okay. I remember now.
Yeah, good. Magaling kang ala-ala sa ala-ala or
Us.
as. Yes. But in Filipino, we have two meanings.
Okay.
Tayo means tayo. Tayo. Tayo
The
means
pronunciation is different.
we or us.
Okay.
Tayo, another one is tayo means
Yeah, better in capital
tayo.
letter. Yeah. Tayo. Stand. Okay.
Stand up.
Tayo and
Like that.
tayo. Tayo.
Tayo, this one, if you read this in we or us, we read in Filipino is smooth. Tayo. Tayo, we or us.
Us.
But if you say stand in Filipino, you read this tayo.
Tayo. Okay.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Okay. Tayo and tayo.
Tayo.
They have the same spelling,
But
but
different
different sound
pronunciation.
and meaning. Different meaning. Okay, next.
Same like Chinese as well. If you just little bit Chinese, there is a words like that.
Yes. Okay, this one.
Kita. Kita and
Kita.
kita. Kita and
Kita
kita.
and kita. Okay?
Kita is you,
Tagalog.
right?
Okay.
No,
in
which one?
Tagalog.
Kita, other meaning is to see, right?
Yeah, see, very good. See, it's it's a verb means see. See,
Okay.
kita, I see you. Okay,
Kita.
but they have another. While kita,
Is you, right?
yes, another one is
What? BRB?
while kita is a noun,
Okay.
which means prophet. It's a noun.
Profit from the business.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kita. Money.
So 3 meanings.
Two.
Like-
Puno, you know what's puno?
Uno is a color?
It's a noun. It's a noun means
Mhm.
which means a tree. It's tree.
Tree. Okay, tree.
Tree. Puno. Tree. Noun. Okay,
Okay.
but the another one is puno means tree. But the another one pool.
Same
Puno.
pronunciation? Different.
Different
and
pronunciation. Puno and puno.
Puno.
Puno and puno.
Okay, puno.
Okay. Puno and puno.
Puno.
Same
Okay.
spelling. But the pronunciation is smooth and strong. Puno.
The stress at the
Puno.
end, right?
Puno.
The stress at the end, like the last letters, alphabets. Last
Okay.
alphabets. Okay.
Okay.
Repeat.
They have to eat it means eat it. Hair clip.
Hair clip. Okay.
Yeah. Eat it is a noun, meaning hair clip.
Okay.
Singing sound. Eat it. Eat it, another one. Ang isa pang ibig sabihin ng eat it, same sound. Eat it, eat it. Eat it, eat it. Is
Eat it.
yes.
Pressed. Past tense. Pressed in.
Verb. It's a
Pressed
verb.
in. Pressed in.
Between. Double E.
In between. Pressed in between.
Yes, it's a verb.
Pressed
Like
in between.
eat it, hair clip. And then another one is if you have two person and you are in the middle, eat it. Okay.
Okay.
Next, gabi. You know what's gabi?
Magandang gabi.
Yes, gabi.
Gabi is
It's gabi.
night or
Night.
evening. Magandang gabi. What's the other one?
Gabi.
I forgot the other one. Gabi and gabi,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, you're right. Night.
Other one I forgot.
It's a noun. It's a noun. Night. The other one. It's a noun. Another nouns. But here in the Philippines, we have vegetable. Vegetable. I don't know
Okay.
if we have in your place like this vegetables one.
Okay. Gabi.
Vegetable. Oh yeah. Okay. Taro. I don't know if you have this.
Okay, let me check. Taro.
Taro.
In English, taro.
Yes, in English, taro, vegetable. Yeah, in English, taro. But here in the Philippines, they called gabi. Gabi.
Gabi. Which one is
This
gabi?
one,
Night.
Night. Gabi. Night.
And
Gabi. But this taro, vegetable, is gabi.
gabi.
Gabi. Yes. Gabi. Night, gabi.
Okay.
Taro, gabi.
Like that, right? That one, right? Gabi.
Yes. Gabi.
We have like this same in not in Saudi Arabia, in Bangladesh. We call it kochu.
Kochu.
Kochu, yes.
Oh. That's That's Gabi. Gabi.
Very
Okay.
similar.
But
Maybe that one.
they, here in the Philippines, that's vegetable. In your
Yeah, that's
place?
vegetable. It's very similar to this. Very similar. Like kochu is very similar to this vegetable.
Mm. Okay, next. This one, I know na. Alam mo to.
Mahal. Mahal is a
Yes.
lover, right?
Hmm?
Lover or
Lover,
love?
yes. Lover, but in Filipino,
Mm-hmm.
what is this in Filipino? In Tagalog?
Love or lover? What else?
No, that's not lover. Lover is girlfriend, boyfriend.
Mahal.
Mahal. Only one. They have two. Mahal, single. Love. Okay. Love.
Okay.
Eh,
Other one?
this one. The other one is
Expensive.
yes, in the Philippines. Here in expensive. Very expensive. Napakamahal. We use napakamahal. Expensive.
Okay.
We have two. Same spelling, okay?
The pronunciation same? What about the
Mahal
pronunciation?
and mahal.
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 The first one is
Mahal.
mahal.
The love means mahal.
Mahal.
Sweet. Sweet pronunciation. Mahal.
Mahal.
Very sweet. But this one, expensive, mahal.
Mahal. That one is sweet. The
That's
other one is a little
strong.
bit strong. Yeah.
Strong.
Because
You read in
whenever you
strong.
go to like buy some jewelries, and
Yes.
it's
Especially jewelry is very
the
mahal.
sell-
Very, very mahal. Super mahal.
Opo.
Super
Maraming mahal.
expensive.
Maraming mahal.
Mahal.
Maraming.
No.
No,
Two
can
words.
we?
Dalawa lang. Mahal, love, and mahal, expensive. In the Filipino here, okay? In Tagalog.
Opo.
This one. Baka. Meron kayo nito, di ba?
Baka, cow.
Yeah, how?
And baka, I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
How? No, how?
Baka is a cow.
Yeah. Good. Cow. May cow kayo dyan?
Cow. No, it's with O.
Yes, O.
W. Yeah.
Yeah po. O, and the other one? In English, it's adverb. Adverb means
Baka, right?
baka means
Maybe.
maybe. Yeah. Maybe
Also,
in English.
siguro, right? Siguro.
Siguro baka.
Siguro also means.
Baka.
Siguro also means maybe, right?
Yes. This one, they have two. Baka.
And siguro.
One.
Okay.
Baka and siguro. But in the baka, maybe. But maybe they have baka and siguro.
Have two kids.
Magulo.
Maybe has two kids.
Two kids?
Yeah.
Two kids. Kids? Bata?
Yeah.
Bata. Bata.
Dalawa
Kids.
dalawa mangga bata. Two kids.
Two
Or
kids. Bata.
Ang dalawa or dalawang
If
ang
you
dalawang mangga or ang mangga dalawang bata. How do you say two kids?
Ang mga bata.
Ang mga
Paggagamit ka
bata.
ng mga, huwag ka magagamit ng dalawa sa mga. Huwag mo silang ipagsasama. Kasi mga, marami. Those. Marami. Many. Okay. But if you said ang mga, don't put in the sentence two bata, dalawang mga bata.
Okay.
Dalawa. Mga bata. Dalawang bata.
Dalawang bata.
Okay. Like this, ha?
Just enough, right?
Dalawang bata. That's enough.
Okay.
But if you want to use mga, use like this, ha?
Okay. Ang mga bata. Okay.
Okay. Ang mga bata. Don't use dalawa. Dalawa or dalawang. With
Dalawang.
NG. Yes. Dalawang bata, that's enough. But if you use ang mga bata, it's enough
True.
na hindi mo na gagamitin to. Na you don't use this word.
Okay.
Okay? Because mga means marami, many.
Many.
And tinutukoy. Okay. Tinutukoy mo yung dalawang bata. Okay. Use in a sentence, simple, dalawang bata. But
Okay.
tinutukoy mo marami, many, they have more than 5 children, use mga.
Okay.
Okay. Magulo?
Magulo means understand? What's the
you
meaning?
don't have understand because they have many meanings in Tagalog. This one. Do you have like this in your place?
Opo, but rare. We have
Rare.
we have pusa more than aso.
Pusa, aso, daga,
What's
butiki,
daga?
daga, rat,
Right. Daga.
Rat.
Okay.
butiki,
Butiki.
lizard, yes, butiki in the kesame. Butiki, lizard.
Lizard. Okay.
Yeah. Aso, dog.
Aso and aso, right? Aso
Yeah.
and aso.
Aso, dog. Okay? This is aso, dog. Aso is dog.
Dog.
Aso.
Aso.
But aso, dog. Aso is
Smoke. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a smoke or cigarette?
smoking the cigarette in your.
Aso.
If you want, if you cook, we have aso.
Okay. So both the smoke and this
Yeah.
smoke as well. Okay.
It's the same. The smoke. This is aso, dog. Aso. Aso means smoke.
Basa.
Basa. Basa. Not
Basa.
basa. Basa means basa.
Hindi ko alam.
Ano ginagawa mo ngayon? Read.
Basa. Right?
Yes. Basa lang. Basa. Basa means
read. Okay.
read.
Okay.
In basa. You know what is basa?
No.
No, not basa. Basa.
Basa.
Read. No, basa means
Basa. What?
wet.
Wet.
Wet, basa. My hair is wet.
Okay.
Wet, basa.
Basa.
Wet. Basa. Read.
Basa.
Basa. Wet. Okay.
Araw. Magandang araw. Day.
Every morning, it's a
Magandang
araw.
Afternoon.
Araw.
Sorry. Tanghali. That's tanghali.
Morning.
Good day. Good
Good
day, right?
day. But they have this guy.
Good morning.
They have
Okay. Sunrise.
sunrise.
Sun. Okay.
In the Filipino, Tagalog, araw.
Sun is araw.
Araw.
Okay.
Yes. But today, in Tagalog, araw. It's day.
Okay.
Day. Day
Sun.
means anong araw.
Okay. Sunday.
Day. Yeah. Araw. Araw. Same.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Sun and day.
Yan,
Araw.
Good morning. Good day.
Araw.
Umaga. Good day, no? Good day.
Good day is araw.
Magandang araw. Magandang araw. Maganda means beautiful. But if you're using the English, magandang araw. Good day. Not beautiful day. But if you want to use
It's
it.
a beautiful day. Yeah, we can use it, right?
Magandang araw. Beautiful day. Good day. Have a nice day. Okay. Afternoon, Tagalog.
Tanghali. Magandang tanghali and magandang hapon.
Tanghali.
And hapon.
Magandang
hapon.
Good
Right?
morning.
Magandang umaga.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Magandang tanghali and magandang hapon.
Good evening.
Good evening. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. By the way, I don't identify.
That's all.
Okay.
Opo.
I hope na next time you book a class again.
Opo.
And small is a smile because you're so handsome.
Salamat.
Okay,
You too.
bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Paalam.
you.
Ingat.
Paalam.
Walang ano.
Salamat. Mag-iingat ka lagi, always. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Okay, bye.
Bye. Ingat.